Welcome to the Bridge, girls. Come on inside. This is my room. Then you come on this way. This is the living room. We have a cool little table over here. They came with the house. This is the beautiful kitchen. We're actually making some banana bread right now. And this is the dining room. Say hi. And then out here is our outside space.
And this is our pool area with a really amazing view. Okay, as you can see here, we have kind of a dining room right here, and we like to eat. And you can see the view from here as well. If we come over here, we have some bathrooms, and then we have like another seating area, and right here we like to have some meetings. I like to sit here and read too. And we love to have people over, so it's perfect to have a pool party.
Now I'm going to my internship. Bye.